In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and tapping on display and brightness. Then scroll all the way down to access font settings. And tap on this font to apply it or select those three dots on the right. Then select a perfect font for you from here by tapping on one of those options or clicking on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to. After finding a perfect font, you need to click on it, select free or buy it, and hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!